Here we go! Oh, look at that! Woo! There she goes!
That looks brilliant.
Look at that!
That looks absolutely brilliant.
Get the nose up. The wheels just went up!
Has the wheels just gone up? Yeah.
Look at that. Woo!
First time he's done it, he's just done a cool.
Victory roll. Look at that. How cool is that? Is it good? Does it feel alright? Not too low. Yeah. What? Need you to trim it? Right, I've got one thing of battery, so if it runs out, it runs out.
Let me get over here a bit.
Right, behind Tim's sight line so that he sees the aeroplane and not us. That's it. Right, quiet as you can.
Has the wheels come down?
No.
Not yet. Yeah, that's the point.
What, you just tried to put them down?
Yeah, he'll do it in a minute. He's got a... That's it, wheels are down.
No, they're down.
That's it. Take your time, go around if you need to. Yeah. That's it. Nah, Tim, you're alright, you're alright.
Oh my God.
Take your time. That's it.
That's clever.
You're coming in from the wrong angle.
Probably a bit
You're
more.
trying to slow it down too much.
Yeah, I need to.
I know you do, but you need to do it, slow it down later. Bring it round here, because you're adjusting it. That's it, that's it, that's it. That's it, that's much better. That's it. Look at that! Brilliant!
What was that?
Oh, not quite.
What was that over there?
No, that was just nothing, Meg. Hole.